So here we got about a 20-year-old mower. The engine works great. It's gone through its second deck, a couple of sets of wheels, and I'm about to go through another set of wheels, but this one's a little different. There's so much play in the axle from the plastic wearing out that I decided to shim the bolt that runs through the wheel. Of course, you can't really work it like that, so take the nut off, take the wheel off, put a sleeve around the shaft, and use anything that you have, like a piece of copper pipe, piece of brass fitting, the tubes that run for water lines, the solid lines that run to a toilet or a sink underneath, anything like that. Even if it doesn't have to be the perfect diameter. It can actually be a little bit smaller, and you can cut the pipe up along its length, open it up a little bit, fit it over the shaft, and that should be good enough. I'll show a picture just after this, and you'll get a sense of what I do. So here you see the nut is off. The wheel is really loose. And if you get in close, you can see there's a bit of a gap. So sometimes the quick trick is to use a piece of copper pipe, but I don't think there's enough wiggle room there for that. So what I'm going to do, I got a piece of metal here. This is a piece of brass, but anything will do. Even if in a pinch you can use metal flashing that you use on siding, something like that. You can see you don't need very much. Something about the height of the stub, and once it bends around, you want it to be a little bit smaller than the circumference of that bolt. But like I said, in a pinch, it'll do. If you want to get an accurate measurement, just take a piece of paper and some scissors, cut like a template around, and you have like a little square of paper, and then put that against your piece of metal and cut it out. You'll have the exact size that you want. So, just all I do now is a little bit of grease. Help it along. Spins a lot better, that's for sure. Put that nut back on there. There we go. Good enough. Should last a couple more years.